Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the Santa Ynez Mountains, Santa Barbara blends small-town charm with a cosmopolitan spirit. Known for its stunning coastline and vibrant cultural scene, Santa Barbara offers an idyllic escape for every traveler. Let's learn more from the pages of Byways magazine. Imagine strolling along palm-lined streets, discovering charming boutiques and art galleries. Santa Barbara welcomes you with open arms and promises an unforgettable experience. Santa Barbara's history is as rich and colorful as its sunsets. Founded by the Spanish in 1782, the city boasts a captivating past reflected in its well-preserved architecture and historical landmarks. A visit to Mission Santa Barbara, known as the Queen of the Missions, is a must. For a deeper dive into history, explore the Santa Barbara Historical Museum. Stroll through El Presidio de Santa Barbara State Historic Park, a former military outpost. Beyond its historical gems, Santa Barbara offers a vibrant arts and culture scene. Explore the galleries and studios of the Funk Zone, a hub of creativity. Santa Barbara offers a wide array of accommodation options to suit every taste and budget. From luxurious beachfront resorts to charming boutique hotels, you'll find the perfect home away from home. Every detail is designed to make your stay as comfortable and memorable as possible. For a truly immersive culinary experience, embark on a wine-tasting tour through the nearby Santa Ynez Valley, where you can sample world-class vintages and savor the picturesque vineyard landscapes. From crisp Chardonnays to robust Cabernet Sauvignons, the region's wines are a testament to the area's exceptional terroir. Spend a day exploring the idyllic Channel Islands National Park, a magnificent archipelago just a short boat ride from Santa Barbara's shores. Here, you'll find untouched natural landscapes, pristine beaches, and an abundance of marine life, including seals, sea lions, and a variety of seabirds. Santa Barbara is a culinary paradise, a place where food lovers can indulge in a variety of fresh and flavorful experiences. Here, fresh, locally sourced ingredients take center stage, making every meal a celebration of the region's bounty. The city's proximity to the Pacific Ocean provides an endless supply of fresh seafood, while the fertile valleys surrounding the area contribute to a rich harvest of fruits and vegetables. This unique combination creates a bounty of flavors celebrated in local restaurants. Seafood lovers will rejoice in the abundance of fresh catches available daily, from grilled sea bass to succulent Dungeness crab, each dish prepared with the utmost care and attention to detail. For a true taste of Santa Barbara, there's no better place to start than the city's farmers markets. Here, you can explore a vibrant array of stalls, each offering a unique selection of fresh produce, handmade goods, and local delicacies. The city boasts a diverse dining scene, with restaurants that cater to every palate and preference. With influences from around the globe, you can enjoy a culinary journey without ever leaving the city. From Italian trattorias to Japanese sushi bars, the options are endless. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the Pacific Ocean, Santa Barbara transforms into a magical destination. The city's nightlife offers something for everyone, from lively bars and clubs to cozy wine bars and romantic restaurants. Head to the waterfront and watch the sunset over the Pacific. After sunset, the stars come out to play in Santa Barbara. For a lively atmosphere, Santa Barbara's downtown area buzzes with activity. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening or a fun night out, Santa Barbara's vibrant nightlife has plenty to offer. No matter when you choose to visit, Santa Barbara promises a captivating escape from the ordinary. From its rich history and stunning architecture to its coastal splendor and culinary delights, this timeless treasure along the California coast is a destination that will leave you longing to return time and again.
We are adding new videos every week featuring the destinations along the highways and byways of North America. Take a moment to subscribe and help support the Byways channel. Thanks for watching.